Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve the question maximum ice cream bars. Okay. So here what we are given the cost of n ice creams. The cost of n ice creams are 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, and we are also given some coins which we initially have. In this case we are having 7 coins. And now we want to buy maximum ice creams out of these available coins. So what we will do, we are having 1, 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay. So we are having 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, and we are having 7 coins. Okay. Now, what we will do? We have to maximize the number of ice creams that we can buy. So what we will do? We will focus on buying the ice cream with the least cost, and for that we have to sort this array of cost. So after sorting this, the sorted array becomes 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we are having 7 coins, so we can buy this. The number of coins reduces to 6. Now we can buy this ice cream. The number of coins reduces to 5. Now we can buy this ice cream also. The number of coins reduces to 3. We can buy this also. The number of coins reduces to 0. Now as soon as it reduces to 0, we cannot buy any more ice creams. Okay, so the count of the ice cream that we can buy is 4, and this is a maximum possible number of ice creams that we can buy. So the similar thing we are going to use in the code also. So what I have done is, we are initially given this cost vector and we are initially given this number of coins. We have this sort this our cost vector that we have done here, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1. After sorting it becomes 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we are having int I is equals to 0 and int answer is equals to 0. Answer stores the number of the ice creams that we can buy, the maximum number of ice creams that we can buy, and int I is equals to 0 is the stores the index at which we are. Okay, so so while coins minus cost I is greater than 0, that is when I was iterating through this sorted vector, and when I was having this number of coins was 7, if my 7 minus 1 is greater than equals to 0, what does it mean? It means that we can buy this ice cream. So similar thing I am doing here. If my coins minus cost of I is greater than equals to 0, because if it becomes negative, what it means? That it means that I cannot buy this ice cream. So since I can buy this ice cream, I will increment my answer. I will decrement my coins by this cost of this ice cream, because I have bought this, and now I will move to the next index. Okay, and while moving to the next index, if I reach at the out of the cost vector, because what the last index of the cost vector is cost of size cost dot size minus 1. Okay, so if my I becomes cost dot size, I will come out of this while loop and I will return the answer. Okay, which is the maximum number of ice creams that I can buy by this using these coins. And after submitting this, yes, it has got accepted. I will upload this code in the description below. You can check it out there. Thank you.